Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find guys where the trailer control module, fuses and relays are located on Mercedes GLC first generation. Stay with us, we will explain where you can find them. Please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix, we'll talk about that. And after that, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6-7 different fuse boxes guys. Now that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. For the trailer control module guys, now let's explain which fuses relays we need to check. Right here on this generation Mercedes GLC, what do we guys need to do first? Open the trunk. The moment you open the trunk, you see the cover on the bottom of the trunk, lift it up. Underneath you have some storage spaces, and here you see that flap, you need to open that cover. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them, but it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays. And if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. So guys, here what we need to check specifically here guys, okay, multiple fuses, okay, if you have that factory option, where they will be located, okay, we specifically don't, but if you have it, we will explain. The first fuse here is 431, then 432, 433, you're going to have a fuse right here, then 444, 433, 434, 435, 436, 437. That row of fuses practically right here guys, that will be the one for the trailer lights, trailer control module on your Mercedes GLC. Now if you still have problems with it, we will recommend to check fuses relays for the rear SAM control module, SAM module, SAM control module. It controls, okay, multiple computers in the car and everything goes through it. So if you don't know where they're located, the videos on the channel guys, check it out. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well guys. Now it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones guys in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.